Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. In today's Excel video, I've got a great one for you. We're going to pull data from a web page into Excel because one, I don't want to have to retype this, and two, copy and paste sometimes leaves horrible results. We're going to use one of my favorite tabs in the Excel. It is the Data tab. That is where you'll find Sort, Filter, Advanced Filter, What If Analysis, Power Query is there. So let's look at this data right now. I've pulled up a list of countries by motor vehicle production. It happens to be Wikipedia. It could be another website. Just a quick look at this quick look at this web page. I've got a table here, but I've got information here. This actually could be a table. Let me scroll down. Got some charts. Here's clearly another table right here. So 2 tables for sure, probably 3 or 4. Really simple. If you see what you want on that page, just make sure it looks like it's a tabular format. Copy it, pull up Excel, Home tab. You want to move over to the Data tab. In the middle there is Sort and Filter. Over to the right is What If Analysis. But over to the far left is our group Get and Transform Data. I've recently showed you how to pull in data from a picture, but here is from web. Click it once. It's going to want to know what is the URL that you have. You just paste it in here. Click OK. It is making a connection to that web page. It'll come back and pull up the different tables that it found on that web page. And sure enough, it did find 4 tables for me. Click Table 2, take a look at it. It says Table View. That does not look good. Document. That's no good. This table here, this was vehicles per 1,000 people. That's not what I want, but here we go right here. There's my table. If you want to tweak this data, because if you notice here in real life, I probably would tweak it. I got country followed by country and the years together. I would probably in real life transform the data, open Power Query and do it. But it looks like these rows are very similar, so I'm going to just keep this simple today and hit load. You'll see queries and connections start up over on the far right. That's a task pane. It's going to load the number of rows. It put in 71. Perfect. You don't have to keep this running. You could close it. If the query's running and the connection's running, if that table gets updated on the web, it would update it here. But for right now, I'm going to close this, click in this data. I've got this row in here twice, so I'm going to delete row 2. So now I've got my header row. I don't need these world numbers. I may summarize them myself, so delete that. And now I'm sitting here with these countries, China, US, Japan. There you go. And I can sit here and sort and filter. This data is actually cross-tabular data, to be clear about that, because in column C and over to the right, it's got the years. In real life, we should actually have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. We should have, and I really don't even care about that first column. We should have country for sure in column B. We should have a column for year, and then we should have a column for the number of vehicles produced. And if you want that column A in there, that looks just like a rank. I could do that myself. That would be the way I would want that data laid out. If you want to know how you would do that, make sure you view my video on data from table range. That is when I go into Power Query and fix that. But this may work for you already. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to sign up for my Microsoft Teams online training class, 3 hours of material now. Have a great day. I appreciate it.